If you want to turn on the voice to text on the Pixel 10 Pro, then you have to start by opening System Settings. Now you will have to navigate into System Settings, open Keyboard, and go to the on-screen keyboard, and we have to turn on two things. The first one, make sure that you turn on the Google Voice Typing. Then once you actually open this one, you can also use this as offline, because as default, the Google Voice Typing only works when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you want to use offline voice to text, you have to click to add a language and simply download language library. Next, you have to go into the Google keyboard, which is called Gboard, and go to the voice typing and make sure that you have turned it on. And right now, when you open your keyboard, just anywhere, you have to search for this microphone icon, click on it. When you are using this for the first time, you will get permission to your microphone, which you have to actually grant to let it work. And now, as you can see, it just recognizes everything that you are saying and it's transferring your voice into the text. If you want to turn it off, you have to click on this microphone icon, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.